Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn a very interesting concept in physics, centripetal force. So make sure you watch till the end. It's going to be very simple and clear. Let's begin. This lesson is about what is centripetal force and how it helps in circular motion. Now let's move to our first slide. When an object moves in a circle, its direction keeps changing all the time. Even if the speed is constant, the object is still accelerating because the direction is changing. And this acceleration happens because of a special force called centripetal force. Now we will understand what the word centripetal really means. The word centripetal means center seeking. This simply means that the force always acts towards the center of the circle. Whenever something moves in a circular path, there must be a force pulling it towards the center. Now let's understand why we need this force in the first place. Why do we need centripetal force? According to Newton's first law, every object wants to move in a straight line. So if we want an object to move in a circle, we must pull or push it towards the center to keep changing its direction. This pulling or pushing force towards the center is called centripetal force. Next, let's see the mathematical formula for this force. The formula for centripetal force is F is equal to mv square upon r, where m is the mass of the object, v is the speed, and r is the radius of the circular path. This means if the object is heavier or moves faster, we need more centripetal force. Now let's move to the key idea behind this force. Key idea: centripetal force always acts towards the center of the circle. It keeps the object moving in a circular path. If the force stops, the object will not go outwards. Instead, it will fly off in a straight line in this direction it was moving at that moment. Now let's look at some real life example. Real life examples: when we spin a stone tied to a string, the string's tension provides the centripetal force. When a car turns, the friction between the tires and the road acts as centripetal force. The earth orbits the sun because the sun's gravity pulls it inward. On a roller coaster, the track and gravity provide the centripetal force. These examples show that centripetal force is everywhere around us. Now let's clear a common misunderstanding. Common misconception: many people think there is a force pushing outward called centrifugal force, but this is not a real force. This outward feeling is just your body wanting to continue moving straight while the path is curved. Now let's look at a very simple example to understand it better. Simple example explanation. Imagine spinning a stone tied to a string. The string pulls the stone towards your hand. That is centripetal force. If the string breaks, the stone does not go outward. It will move straight in the direction it was going. This is called the tangential direction. Now let's conclude. Conclusion: centripetal force is the center directed force that keeps objects moving in circular paths. Without this force, circular motion would not be possible. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also comment below if you want notes, charts or more science animations. See you in the next video.